Okay, so when I was looking at this slab, I planed the bottom, I routed the bottom so it's flat and sanded it, and I noticed that there's a crack here on the end. Yeah, I've seen this before on this piece, but now I'm gonna address it. So you see the crack goes about this far, so I'm just gonna cut, maybe an inch and a half, inch further than that, and I'm gonna square out, the other part is I'm gonna square up this, this board. And how I did that is I just go like somewhere in the middle, not in the middle, like a third of the way down, I measure from here to here, and then I make a mark in the middle, and then I do it on the other end, and then I run a line down. I don't know if you can see it's kind of faint, but then I just run a square from there, and I prefer to use a chainsaw to cut these things, so that's what I'm gonna do now. So I'm gonna grab it. I got two of these saws. I've got a 16 and an 18 inch. And what I've done with them is just go 2 inches bigger on the bar. So I've got an 18 and a 20 now. They work really great. I use them for pretty much everything I do. They're a little slower than a gas, but a lot more fun to use. Like you can just on off, and you can use them inside the garage, no problem. So I'm gonna square this up. So it gives it a decent square cut. I'll clean it up with a miter saw. It's just a pain to get these big pieces on a miter saw. And then also the travel's pretty long. So I do have a sliding compound, and I just want to see, if it'll fit on that before I just throw it on there and start cutting. But thanks for watching.